6, 8. Perfect. 10, 12, 14 is the correct choice. 500 dash? Good thinking. 250 is the right answer. 4, 7, 11 dash? Nice work. You chose 15 and it is correct. 15, 1. Valid point. 27 is true. 6, 4. You got it. Your choice 2 is right. 300x dash. Right choice. 410 Dudley is the best answer. 35x dash. You're right. 40W is the correct answer. 20 Tegi dash. Exactly. 4G makes sense and it is right choice. C24D23 dash. Great job, E22 is the accurate answer. 10, 14, 18 right next to. Strong choice, Su22, 26 is the right answer. ABC, Abjik, no dash. Good job. Your answer clues works well here. If A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, then Y equal to? Sharp thinking. 25 is the right. Round 37 to the nearest 10. Great thinking. 40 is the right choice. Find the pattern 9, 18, 27. Right again. 36 is a valid answer. Write the next 25, 35, 45. 65 is the answer. 15, 25 dash, dash, dash. Well reasoned. 30, 35, 40 is the correct choice. What is next number 20, 24, 28? Clear logic. Your choice 32 is sound and 100% true. A pattern is anything that can be. Smart move. Predicted is an accurate answer. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Well picked. Add 5 is the correct answer. A growing pattern always gets dash. Excellent choice. Bigger is the right answer. Write the next term, nin. Correct response. Sinin is the most accurate answer. Write the next to 1B2, C3, D4, E5. Nicely done. F6 is a solid answer. What will come next 24, 2016? Well done. 8 is the right choice. What the next alphabet ABC, Def, G? Smart pick. JKL is the correct choice. Complete the patterns 5, 10, 20 dash. On track. 80 is the correct answer. Dash dev 400, 350, 300, 250, 200. 500? 450 is the right answer. Write the next number 25th, 2015, 10. You chose 5, and it is correct. Find the growing pattern 6, 12, 18, 24. Nice selection. 30 is the correct and valid answer. Complete the pattern. Abif IGM dash. Excellent. Kur is a brilliant choice. Find the reducing pattern 60, 50, 40 dash. Solid response. 30 is a valid choice. Which is an example of a repeating pattern? Right choice. 112 is the best answer. Complete the pattern ABCD, ABCD, ABCD dash. Great thinking. ABCD is the right choice. Complete the pattern .2612-342. Smart pick. 20 is the correct choice. What is the pattern growing by 23, 28, 33, 38? Right again. +5 is a valid answer. What is the rule for the pattern? 32, 40, 48, 56. Exactly. Add 8 makes sense, and it is right choice. What is the pattern growing by 30, 40, 50, 60, 70? You chose +10, and it is correct. Find the rule the pattern is using 11, 9, 10, 5, 3. Excellent. Subtract 2 is a brilliant choice. Find the rule the pattern is using 448, 1/2, 28, 7. Well picked, divide 4 is the correct answer. Continue the pattern 16, 27, 38, dash, dash, dash. Ratio 9, 60, 71 is the accurate answer. What is the fourth number in this pattern? 47, 53, 59. Good thinking. 65 is the right answer. Complete the pattern. A, B, C, 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 dash, dash. Correct response. D, D, D is the most accurate answer. How would you describe this pattern's rule? 16, 11, 6, 1. Smart move. Subtract 5 is an accurate answer. What is the rule for the following pattern? 9, 9, 88, 77, 66. You're right. Subtract 11 is the correct answer. What are these numbers skip counting by 90, 80, 70, 60, 50? On track. 10 is the correct answer. Continue the pattern 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, dash, day, dash, dash. Sharp thinking? 18, 12, 6 is the right choice. What is the following pattern called? A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B? You got it? Your choice repeating pattern is right. What is the pattern of the following numbers? 32, 30, 28, 26, 24. Nice selection. Growing is the correct and valid answer. What number comes next in the pattern? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 dash. Nicely done. 90 is a solid answer. If good is written as a P, then bad will be written as dash. Strong choice. CB is the right answer. What is the pattern of the following numbers? 40, 45, 50, 55, 60? Well done. Growing is the right choice. What rule is being used in the pattern below? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Valid point. Add 2 is true. Arrange the given words in alphabetical order. Care, mare, hair, fair. Bravo, Care. Do hair C is the answer. For pattern ponton 20, 20, 31, 301, 23, 233, 1, 312, dash, dash, 33, waddle. Nice work. You chose 123, 231 and it is correct. What number comes next in the pattern? 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, dash. Good job, your answer 44 works well here. What are the missing numbers in the pattern? 34, dash, 4246, dash, 54. Perfect. 3050 is the correct choice. Arrange the given words in alphabetical order. Table, chair, book, pencil. Solid response. Book, chair, pencil, table is a valid choice. Which pairs are missing in the pattern below? As, by, dash, do, w, dash, tifu. Correct. CX, Eve is the right answer. If numbers are used for letters, then decode the secret message. 19, 8, 1, 18, 11. Clear logic. Your choice, Shark, is sound and 100% true. If A equal to 1, E equal to 2, I equal to 3, O equal to 4, and U equal to 5, decode the message C1 and 2B 2 5 seconds. Excellent choice. Can we be friends? Is the right answer. Aaron wrote a secret message for his friend Jane and Jeet's peeve. What is he trying to say? Well reasoned. I miss you is the correct choice. Use the next letters and make a secret message for the following word. Barber. Right choice. Subsefs is the best answer. We have changed each letter by its next letter. Then crack the secret message. Sieb Shebsi? Great job. Barger is the accurate answer. In a code, hello is written as 51336. What is the number assigned to the letter in this code? Nicely done. 1 is a solid answer. 12-344556-78, which 2 numbers should be filled in the blanks to complete the number pattern. Good job. Your answer 23 and 67 works well here. Find the rule for the table. Well done. Multiply by 4 is the right choice. Answer the following question. Right again. Brother is a valid answer. What changes in this pattern? Correct. Shape is the right answer. How many circles would be in picture 5? You're right. 15 circles is the correct answer. Write the next number in each of the following. Well reasoned. 72 is the correct choice. If each letter of the alphabet is assigned a number following the rule, A equal to 1B equal to 2C, equal to 3D equal to 4 equal to fan so on, what will the code for the word hide be? Strong choice. 8945 is the right answer. How many different blocks are used to make the pattern shown? A. Correct response. 3 is the most accurate answer. What is the next 3 terms of the sequence 8, 16, 24, 32 dash? Nice selection. 40, 48, 56 is the correct and valid answer. Based on the rate of change, how many circles would come next? Exactly. 9 makes sense and it is right choice. If the pattern continues, how many squares will be in the last 2 sections? Excellent choice. 6-3 is the right answer. Observe the given number pattern. What numbers will come in place of A and B? Nice work. You chose a 6B10 and it is correct. Ananya's mother used the code in the picture to send Ananya a hidden message. What is the message? You got it. Your choice, you are beautiful, is right. For each alphabet, a number has been assigned as its code. Using the given table, decode the message. Sharp thinking. We are happy is the right choice. Copy the given box in your math notebook. Write the 5 vowels in the rows so that no vowel comes twice in any row or column. Did you complete the task? Good thinking. Yes is the right answer. Copy the number tower in your math notebook. Observe the pattern, find its rule, and complete the pattern. Which number will be at the top of the tower? Excellent. 768 is a brilliant choice. Radha is making a pattern using matchsticks. She used 2 matchsticks to make figure A. If she continues as shown, how many matchsticks does she need to make figure D? Solid response. 8 is a valid choice. Hilda is making a repeating pattern with shapes shown in the image. The rule is heart, square, triangle. If Hilda continues the pattern, what will be the 11th shape? Great thinking. Square is the right choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Valid point. Contact Narayan Changda on Facebook is true.